also a collaboration.
Nagluluto po ako ngayon ito. Pork chop. Good evening, guys. Ayan. Ang ano po nito, simple lang po ang nilagay ko. Konting asin lang at paminta. Ayan. Masarap po ito. Pork chop.
Pork chop.
Pork chop. You want this, DJ?
No, I don't.
Why?
Pork chop.
Okay.
What is that?
This is sweet gravy.
Sauce.
Yes.
Is that sauce?
Gravy.
Oh, gravy. Gravy.
Yes. You want?
No.
No. This is yummy. Why you don't like this?
I'm gonna find stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna find stuff we can use.
Okay.
Asin.
Asin. Okay.